This method can help answer key questions about achieving functional MHM materials for applications such as filtration, catalyst supporting, flow-type batteries, sensors, and bioscaffolds. The main advantage of this technique is that it utilizes the structure-directing function of cellulose nanofibers and can realize constitutional control of the targeted MHMs. This method can help answer key questions about achieving functional MHM materials for applications such as filtration, catalyst supporting, flow-type batteries, sensors, and bioscaffolds. Demonstrating the procedure will be myself and Wang, a grad student from our laboratory.
To begin preparing the tempo-mediated oxidized cellulose nanofiber sol, first combine 66.7 grams of softwood bleached kraft pulp with 700 microliters of deionized water. Mechanically agitate the mixture for 20 minutes at 300 rpm. Over the course of 1 minute, slowly add to the stirring kraft pulp suspension 20 milliliters each of a 7.5 gram per liter aqueous tempo solution and 75 gram per liter aqueous sodium bromide solution. Begin continuously monitoring the pH of the mixture with a pH meter. Adjust the mixture pH to about 10.5 with a 3 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Then, over the course of several minutes, slowly pipette into the suspension 63.8 grams of aqueous sodium hypochlorite with 6 to 14%.